A couple of days ago, I was in a cafe. You know, the type with a lot of old books lying around. Anyway, I was thumbing through one of them, enjoying a coffee, when a thought occurred. I pushed it aside, thinking there's no way that could be true, and yet I couldn't let it go. I did a little research, and quite frankly, I was shocked. Are people actually doing this, I thought? Look, I'm getting ahead of myself. In order to understand, truly understand this story, we have to first start at the beginning. Mal was no stranger to rage, but this was more than just anger. This was personal. She'd seen the invitations going out. Hell, it was hard to miss since everyone in the kingdom got one. Well, everyone but her, that is. She didn't actually want to go, of that she was certain. However, that didn't matter. Couldn't they have at least asked? It would have been nice to have had the opportunity to tell them just where they could place that invitation of theirs. Diablo, fetch my book of hate spells. The raven didn't budge. Diablo, Mal spat, tossing a scroll at the bird. Get my book. The raven squawked, tumbling from its perch. The cats are back, it cawed. Watch out, watch out. It beat its wings, looking around frantically. You stupid bird, you were sleeping. Stop all of that nonsense and get my book before I cook you for the cats myself. But Mal, you promised your therapist that you weren't going to use that book anymore. You said you were going to find healthier ways to deal with your anger. I say a lot of things I don't mean. It's kind of my thing, really. Now get my damn book before I show you what anger really looks like. Fine, Diablo groaned, but don't expect me to cover for you, because if Jordan asks me directly about the book, which he will because he's good at his job, I refuse to lie. I'm not that raven anymore. My book, Diablo, now. Hold your crows, I'm getting it. I bet Flora's bird isn't treated like this, he mumbled. What did you say? Mal spat. Diablo startled. Oh, it's on the floor. Be back in a bit. The raven returned, clutching a battered, well-loved copy of Burning Hatred for Today's Witches. Do we have to do this? The bird asked. Mal smiled. Have to? No. Want to? Absolutely. Jordan says that if we follow the paths of hatred, that our journey will never lead us into the sun. More of a moon guy myself, but half of what he says makes sense. Maybe we should just let this one go, eh, Mal? We could finally move upstate, maybe grow some corn. This doesn't have to be our lives anymore. That's all I'm saying. That's it. It's perfect. Really? You mean it? Because I've got a lot of great ideas about this corn situation. No, you twit. I know what I'll do. The waiting death. It's the perfect gift for our sweet little princess. But aren't we all kind of waiting for that? No, you stupid bird. This is different. It's very Mal. Oh, yes, I can see it now. I'll let them give the child all sorts of precious little things, and then I'll take them all away. I'll declare to the entire kingdom that she will die on her 16th name day. Whoa, don't you think that's a little too evil? No, my sweet Diablo, it's just the right amount. I was going to say circuitous, like there's literally thousands of more direct methods in that book. Why don't we just pick one of those, one last job, and then corn. Yes. Sweet, sweet corn. Oh, it's perfect. Can't you hear it? Mal the magnificent, Mal the calculated destroyer. Oh, how my sisters will look upon me with such envy. 9 months later. So, yeah. I can honestly say I didn't see that coming. What about you, Mal? I planned it from the start, my dear Diablo. I thought you said you wanted to kill her. Don't you see? This is far worse than death. They'll just sleep forever. It's the sleeping death, a blank, lifeless trance. Yeah, but aren't we going to be asleep too? No. No? No. But how can you be so sure? Because we already know the power of the BLT, and that's something worth staying awake for. Was that story actually necessary? Probably not. But I say all of that to say this. If you're one of those people that are sleeping on the BLT, stop. Because they're delicious. I mean, come on. Would I lie to you?